The festival of colors, Holi, is a national celebration. Holi, in our multiracial, multi-religious country, has always been an occasion to celebrate with colors, with joy, and with families and friends. The coalition government, in recognition of the contribution of our forefathers, the Girmitiyas, in 2023 declared a national public holiday, which is now going to be a feature of celebration, recognition, and remembering our forefathers every year. The Girmitiyas brought with them all festivals, despite the triumphs and tribulations and the harshness of the indenture system. Our forefathers made sure that we preserved our language, our culture, our tradition, our festivals. And Holi is one of the many traditions and festivals that we now all celebrate together, regardless of our religion, regardless of our differences in culture, language, and tradition. Holi is a time where we forget the past, the difficulties of the past. We celebrate with one another. We look forward to the future with confidence and with a view to improve the quality of our lives. Holi brings a message which is a triumph of good over evil. And it is a time to reflect on ourselves and what we plan to do. On this very joyous occasion, I know that some of our people have gone through the onslaught of bad weather, flooding in some areas. But despite all that, I know that all of us are looking forward to celebrating Holi tomorrow. And on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, I wish all of you a very, very joyous, productive, and happy Holi tomorrow. Thank you. Vinaka Bakelebu. Dhanyawad. Shukriya.